Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Puffer coin on Binance Alpha. It's very easy. If you want to buy Puffer coin on Binance Alpha, you can open your Binance apps and then go to search box in the top here. And then you can search Puffer. Oops, sorry, it's Puffer. And then as you can see, there's Puffer PSC on Alpha. You can click it. And this is the chart of Puffer, and you can see the details in the top. There is info, you can click it, and as you can see, you can check the 24-hour volume, market cap, and others. And you can also check the audit. And then if you want to buy it, you can just simply click trade here. Then you can trade your BNB or other coin to Puffer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.